Okay, listen up. You, yes, you. Have you ever wondered why your wallet looks like it's starving while your credit card is living its best life at the mall? Well, buckle up because today we're talking about credit cards, how they work, how to use them wisely, and how not to end up calling your mom at 3 a.m. crying over interest rates. Now, what is a credit card? A credit card is basically your financial BFF. But like that one BFF who's fun at parties but secretly starts drama if you don't manage them properly. You swipe it, you pay later. Easy, right? Wrong. If you don't know what you're doing, it can turn into your worst frenemy real quick. Why should you even get a credit card in the first place? Now, if you're in your 20s, you might be thinking, why do I ever need a credit card? I can just use cash. And that's cute, really. But here's the thing. Without a credit history, trying to get a car loan or a mortgage in the future would be like trying to find free parking spots in Halifax during rush hour. Basically, impossible. Now, here's a quick quiz. What's the biggest advantage of a credit card? Is it free money, building credit, or impressing your friends when you pay for their dinner? Comment on your answers below. Spoiler, it's B, that's building credit. And if you answered A, well, we need to talk. Picking the right credit card. Welcome to the exciting world of choosing your very first credit card. Will you pick the one with the cashback on groceries, points for travel, or the one with hidden fees that haunt your bank statement forever? Now let's find out. Now here's a pro tip. For students in Nova Scotia looking for cards with no annual fees and student perks, some banks even offer points for everyday purchases, so every coffee run could be funding your next big splurge, or paying your bills. How to use credit cards without screwing up. Step 1, set a budget. Step 2, stick to it. Step 3, pay your balances on time. Every time. Every single time. Got it? Step 4, for the love of pizza, do not spend money you do not have. Now, here are 5 common credit card mistakes that people make. Now, all right, it's time for the hard truth. Common credit card mistakes. Yeah, we've all been there, and it's not pretty. It's a serious thing. Mistake number 1, only paying the minimum. Look, I get it. It feels like you're doing the right thing, but trust me, that's just the credit cards company's way of saying, here, let's keep you in debt forever. You pay the minimum and they just keep piling on the interest. Not good. Mistake number 2, ignoring your statement. This is like ignoring your best friend's text. They're just trying to help you out, but you're out here living in denial. You got to stay on top of your spending. Always check your statement. Always. Yeah, always check it. Mistake number 3, thinking your credit card limit equals your net worth. Spoiler alert, it does not. Just because your limit says $10,000 doesn't mean you suddenly got an extra 10 grand to spend. That's not how it works. Your credit limit is just that, a limit. Don't let it mess with your brain. You know the amount of people who max out their credit cards and end up buried under bills? Well, it's way too many. Don't be like them. Don't let it be you. But hey, if you're really living the high life and just want to spend up to your limits, just remember, you got to pay it back, and you got to pay it back fast. You mean I can't afford a yacht because I have a $10,000 credit limit? That's just tragic. Oh, if you're in Nova Scotia, here's a local tip. Use your reward points to explore a beautiful province. Cashbacks can go towards a road trip to Cape Breton, or those travel points can save you on flights when you're homesick for mom's cooking. What will you use your rewards for? A dreamy vacation, fancy tech, or just groceries because adulting is expensive? If you want to know more about some of the best credit cards you can apply as a student, let me know in the comments. So there you have it. Credit cards decoded. They can be your best friend or your worst enemy. depending on how you use them. So now go forth and swipe responsibly. And hey, if you found this helpful or at least mildly entertaining, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your wallet will thank you.